Is my math homework number 22, Thursday. For the first one, it says, what is 87 divided by 10 to the third power? So here's 87. When you're going to divide it by 10 to the third power, which is really 1,000, when you're dividing something by 1,000, you get really, really small. So here's our hidden decimal, and we know to move to the left because it's going to get really small, and we'll move to the left 3 times because there's 3 zeros, and the exponent is a 3. 1, 2, 3, put a 0. So our answers will be 0.087, or you could say 87 thousandths. For the next one, it says find the product. We're going to imagine it's 228 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32, carry the 3. 4 times 2 is 8, add 3 makes 11, carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8, add 1 makes 9. And then we have, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to add a 0 and then put the decimal right there. And that's going to be our answer. For the next one, it says find the product, simplify the answer. Just multiply across, that will be 20 up top for our numerators, and then 42 for our denominators. We'll divide both by the number 2, and it'll give us 10 over 21. For the next one, find the quotient. We have to make the 2 into 2 wholes, so let's move it to the right twice. And let's do the same thing inside, that makes it 144. We know that 2 cannot go into 1. 2 can go in 14 7 times. And then 2 can go into 4 2 times. So the answer is just 72. Here are some inequalities. The first one is going to be, this one is greater because that's 7.210. So that's 210. On this side, that's only 201 thousandths. And of course, 8 tenths is greater than 6 tenths. Let's go and simplify these. We'll simplify both the 6 and the 16 by 2. That'll make it into 3/8. For the second one, we'll divide both by 7. And 7 can go into 7 once. And 7 can go into 28 4 times. So it's actually 1/4. For this one, we'll divide both by 10. And 10 can go into 20 twice. And 10 can go into 55 times. So it's actually 2/5. For the next one, we'll have 4 holes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, let's draw the last one over here. And it's being split into fourths. So we know we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And as you can tell, 4 times 4 makes 16.